Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is blue color, here is yellow color, green color, pink color, red color, orange color, parrot color, and the last one is purple color. Now let's color the moon and star. So how many moons and stars can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 moons and 4 stars, as you can see here.